everyone, it's yoga time, and today I wanted to share a little bit of mindfulness with you because we love to be caring for each other and also caring for ourselves. So the first thing I want us to do is put our hands together and rub them really fast together. Rub, 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 rub. Faster, faster, faster. Harder, harder, harder. Can you do it? Can you do it? And then harder. We're going to stop. And can you feel the tingling in between your fingers and your hands? You've created so much energy in your hands. Let's see if we can do it again. Are you ready, bonkers? Let's go. Harder, harder, harder. Faster, faster. Oh, how hot can we make our hands? And we're going to release. And can you feel all of that tingling energy in your hands? We're going to use that energy and we're going to put our hands together and put our thumbs up to our head, because we're going to put all of that energy into our brains and into our heads. This is where we do all of our thinking. And we're going to send lots of positive energy into our head and into our brain so that we think really kind thoughts today. All right, I feel like we need a bit more energy. Go faster, faster. Faster, faster, faster. And can you feel the energy? And we're going to put our hands together. And this time we're going to put our thumbs just to our lips. And all of that positive energy is going to go into our mouth, because we're going to say some really kind words to our friends and to our family today. All of that beautiful energy into our mouths and our lips. All right, one last one. Let's go, bonkers, let's go. Faster, faster, faster. Harder, harder, harder. Can we feel that tingling? Now let's put all of that energy, and this time we're going to put it into our hearts, because we're going to fill up our hearts full of positive energy, full of kind and loving thoughts and actions and words and all of the amazing things we can think about, all of the people that we love. I love you, bonkers. All of our friends and our family. Even though we might not be seeing them at the moment, we can send out our love to the whole wide world, because I think the world needs it right now.